What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while again since I posted. Again, just work, kid, back and forth, work on the house because we had a little bit of a water leak here, and I've been dealing with a situation in homeowners insurance and all that good stuff, all the fun stuff, you know, being an adult. So, as you guys can tell in the title of the video, I have a unboxing here of the PGYTECH Onemo bag. It is designed for cameras, drones. I really don't have many cameras aside from obviously the iPhone where I record, and then my GoPro. But hopefully plan to change that soon. Sorry for that. So yeah, I have a Mavic Air 2 coming that I'll be receiving tomorrow as well. I ordered one from Adorama a couple of days ago, last week sometime. And I also have a Mini 2 that I own. But we got the PGYTECH Onemo bag. I ordered it on Amazon, obviously, as you guys can tell. It is $199, and this is the version with the small shoulder bag inside the way. And yeah, here we go. So let's get in here. I mean, reading the reviews online, nothing but good things. I know a lot of people have been comparing it to the Peter McKinnon bag. But that one, I mean, this one's also pricey at $200, but the McKinnon bag, I think it's still showing at $399, and I think it was even in the 500 range, if I'm not mistaken, back when it came out. So this bag is a few years old, but it still has all these compartments that I'm going to be very excited for. See, you guys get a little PGYTECH. Life is what you carry. So this is like a little thank you card, I guess. Let's see. Dear photography enthusiast, the backpack to keep you going. So yeah, it is a thank you. It says, we welcome you to participate in PGYTECH's reimagination of the camera backpack. The backpack goes beyond mere functionality, and it becomes a part of your identity. Focus on your passions and create without limitations. So that's pretty cool. It shows all the little GoPro, little drones, cameras, clothing, if you ever want to go on the go. Okay, so let's get this other box out of the way. Okay, so here we go. Get it out of the bag. Very nice presentation, PGYTECH. Very nice. And you still got a little bag over it. Wow. Everyone that you've seen online, if you've seen other people's videos, has said that this bag feels really good, and it does. It's really nice. Really well made. So you have your shoulder straps here, and they are tucked in. This is a compartment that it comes with, so you could tuck this stuff away. You have little snaps right here and up here. I know there's a bag right here. You can have cash, memory cards, all the other little things. Very well made. Once you unzip this, yeah. So this makes it from a 25-liter bag to a 30-liter bag. So if you need some extra storage, put some jackets in there, put whatever, clothing, shoes. So yeah, this makes it into, and then you just zip it back up and you shrink it down. Very nice. You can tell this is very well made. Okay, let's open it. main compartment. Okay. And here it is. So this is the main compartment here. Everyone says this is all configurable to whatever you need, your specific needs. Straps right here. Silicone packets, don't ever eat these. PGYTECH stickers. More straps. So waist strap. Waist strap. Very nice, very detailed, labeled. So yeah, there's more straps. And then this is the other bag, guys. So this is the other bag that comes inside. This is accessible from the side. This is what's awesome about this bag. It's just so modular. You could go ahead and reach in. I mean, I don't have anything here, so that's why it's new. So it's, you know, but you're able to pull this out. Look at, guys, if you guys got batteries and they're fully charged, you have this all set to green and you're good. If you use them up, switch it over red and they're dead. So very nice, very well made. Same thing if you need to access your top compartments. Top right there. There it is. RFID protection. So you put cards, your wallet in here, stored right there. Yeah, and you can configure whichever way you're gonna. And I mean, up here, I might put the Mavic Air 2 in here, and I might put the Mini up here, along with my GoPro and all the GoPro accessories, like the handles and everything. I don't have a laptop. Sometimes I use my wife's laptop, but this is said to fit up to a 16-inch, I think, laptop in here. And aside from that, so you have the laptop compartment, and then you also have another one for your iPad or a tablet. And I do have my iPad Air 4, so I'll probably be using it for that. This seems like it's a very well made backpack. Again, 200 bucks, not cheap, but you do get what you pay for. I mean, everybody that I've seen on their videos, they say they actually still use this backpack. So, you know, so right now at this moment, a lot of camera people, and this is water resistant material. I think there's another pocket up here if I'm not mistaken from what I saw on someone's video. Or something tucked away, yeah. So there's like a water. So there's something tucked away right here, like a water cover. Aside from another water cover down here. So that way, if you're in heavy rain and you want to make sure that your gear doesn't get wet and it stays dry, you're able to go ahead and use the water cover. So very nice, guys. Very, very nice. And then you just tuck it away. It is already a water resistant bag, but water resistant does not mean it's waterproof. So this could take some splashes. It'll be able to hold up in light rain and everything. And they just say that if it gets dirty or dusty, you're able to wipe it off. And yeah, very excited to put all my stuff in here. Very excited to try it all out. Look forward to it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the unboxing and like a little overview of it. I will keep you guys updated on how my use and how it's been working for me. And like I said, I don't have a full-size camera. I don't have lenses or anything like that, not yet. So it's gonna suit me perfect for right now, and we'll see when I get a camera and lenses. But yeah, if you guys are interested to see how it's holding up, comment down below and I'll go ahead and let you guys know. But I feel like I'm gonna love this, and this is gonna be my everyday carry for all my little stuff that I gotta take. I lug it around to work or wherever I go on the weekends. Never know when you want to get your bird up in the air. So, or get some GoPro footage, you and the family, kids, everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.